Today we will be showing you how to replace the interface card in a StorageTek SL500 tape library. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. The replacement procedure is the same for both SCSI and fiber channel interface cards. To begin, you will need to go to the back of the library and power it off. Then unplug the power cables going to the power supplies in the control module chassis. This will prevent any electrical short from happening while replacing the interface card. Now locate the interface card. It will be directly below the library control card. Remove the data cable from the rear of the interface card and then loosen the two captive Phillips screws that secure the interface card in the library. Once they are loosened, push in the red tab on the lock latch of the interface card and then push the lock latch to release the card from the backplane. Then pull the interface card straight back and out of the library and set it to the side. You are now ready to install the replacement. Line up the replacement interface card in the empty card bay, ensuring that the card is in the guide rails properly. Then slide the card in until you feel it make contact with the backplane of the library. Push firmly to seat the card completely, then tighten down the captive screws to secure it in the library. Reconnect the data cable to the rear of the interface card and then plug the power cables into the power supplies in the control module chassis. Power the library on and allow it to initialize. Go into SL Console and verify that everything in the library is now in a ready, operative state. The replacement procedure is now complete. If you are having any issues with your interface card replacement, please contact us directly. If your machine is subscribed to Rocket Plus, please open a ticket through your Rocket Plus customer portal. If not, we may still be able to help you. Please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.